Hello friends and happy Monday. Welcome to Craft with Us. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brittany and I'm the head of children's here at the Winchester Public Library. Most everybody calls me Miss B. Not because we're formal in any way, just because it's easier to say. All right, so thank you to all of you who trekked out on this rainy morning or rainy afternoon now, but in the morning we put our craft bags out to pick up our craft bags. And for those of you who didn't, as always, I'll roadmap what you can use around the house to make your craft along with us. All right, so we are making a handprint strawberry today. It's super easy. All you need is a couple pieces of paper, some scissors, some glue, and a marker. So strawberries are usually pink or red, and the tops are green. So I have a pink piece of paper and a green piece of paper. If you picked up our craft bags, you'll have something very similar inside. But you can make your strawberry whatever color you want if you're crafting along with us at home and you're just grabbing materials around the house. It's totally up to you. If you want a yellow strawberry, then go right ahead and you can have a yellow strawberry. All right, so let's get started. First and foremost, the best way to make a strawberry is to draw a heart, okay? So here's my suggestion. You can do it however you want. I like to fold it in half, and then I draw half a heart. And so to make it look like a strawberry instead of a heart, just round the bottom off with your scissors. Oh, you will need a pencil or a pen also. Or you can use your marker. You can also just draw with your marker. Okay, so here's what you do. You fold your paper in half and you start drawing on the folded side. Like that. And then instead of making it come to a point, just kind of round it off a little bit. Okay? And then take your scissors, right here. 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top, just like that. And work on our cutting. We have a grown-up nearby for our scissors. That's always good, but definitely give it a try yourself. And then when you open it up, if it still looks a little heart-like, I'll show you how you can round off the bottom. Okay? All right, so put my extra paper over here. All right, so that looks pretty strawberry-like. But if you want to make it even more round, just take your scissors and just give it a little snipperoo. Whoop, now it looks like a peach. And then you round it off the bottom like that. There you go. Okay? All right, get the scraps out of the way. Okay, so that's the base of our strawberry. Okay? Now we make some polka dots. Are you ready? So put your strawberry down and pick up your marker and just do dots all over your strawberry. Because if you've ever eaten a strawberry, there's little seeds on it, right? And when the strawberry gets ripe, the seeds get a little bit darker. They're usually dark green, sometimes they're brown, so we're using a black marker. So just make your dots all over, okay? You can make as many or as few dots as you want. Totally up to you. Okay? There are my dots right there. If you want to go back and you want to make them more polka dot-like, that's okay. If you want your seeds to be super teeny tiny, that's okay too. Your choice. All right. That's our strawberry. Now we need to make our strawberry tops. Okay? All right, so we're going to fold our green paper in half too, because we need 2 handprints. So the easiest way to do it is to fold it, trace once, and cut once, and then you have 2 handprints. Okay? So I'm going to use my left hand because I'm a righty. But if you're a lefty, you can trace your right hand. Put my hand down and trace it. Position it so that it's on the whole green paper. And you see right there like that? And if you want, and you've got your grown-up nearby and you want some help, you can have your grown-up help you. But if you want to give it a shot and try to do it yourself, go right ahead. That's the beauty of working with a pencil. If you don't like the way it turned out, you can always erase it and try it again. All right, there we go. There's my hand. And if I keep my paper folded, then we'll have two. Here we go. And hands can be tricky to cut out. So if you need your grown-up to help you, go right ahead. But as always, I suggest you give it a try and just have a little patience. And you can do it. All right. And don't throw away your green paper, my friends, when you're done, because we need to make one more part of our strawberry top, the stem. If you've ever seen a strawberry growing on a vine, strawberries are growing right now. They have a little stem on their bush that keeps them attached to the branch. And that's what we're gonna make next. So don't throw away the rest of your green paper. See, I'm gonna leave that right there because I'm gonna come back and we're gonna cut a little stem. All right, almost done. And then we're gonna get our glue. And we're gonna turn our two hands into one strawberry top. Are you ready? Just about done. Okay, there we go. Got two hands, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna take my extras and put it over here. Okay, so now what we wanna do is you wanna play with it a little bit and see if you can glue them both to the top of your strawberry, like that. Okay, or you can turn them both around. There we go, like that. Kind of overlap them a little bit. And if you want to trim the bottom off a little bit, round it off a little bit, that's okay, because they should probably overlap a little bit so that they fit on your strawberry. Okay, so just round it off a little bit. So there we go, just like that. And we're going to glue them right to the top of our strawberry. Okay, so get your glue. Little smear of glue on your strawberry, right on the top. Put your glue down, and then we're gonna glue one on that, and one on like that. And to make it look like a full-on strawberry, we're gonna put our glue aside. Whoop, it's falling. Everything's going to pieces. All right, now we're gonna cut a little rectangle from the rest of our green paper and make a strawberry stem. There we go. Okay. See, so when I glue it on, like that, there we go. And again, you can position your hands wherever you feel it looks most like a strawberry stem. And if you don't like it, you can peel the glue off. You can do it over again. There we go. And if you think the fingers are too long and you want to trim them a little bit, go right ahead. But there we go. We have a strawberry. See, here, I'll show you. Do a little trim, a little trim, a little trim. There we go. Just a little trim. Now your hands are a little smaller than mine, so yours might come out exactly the way you want it with no trimming. But this is your strawberry, friends. So you decide how you want it. Maybe you want some really long and fluffy strawberry tops. then you leave it right the way it is. There we go. Look at that. Strawberry. I'm a little hungry now. What about you, huh, friends? All right. There you go. Thank you for tuning in with me on this very dreary Monday morning, Monday afternoon it is now. Thank you as always for joining me. I missed you last week, and we will be back next Monday with another fun and fabulous craft. Craft bags go out at about 9 a.m. on the side door of the parking lot entrance. You can come and get them. They are first come, first served. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to send us a message here on Instagram and we will respond. And we do love it when you tag us in your photos of your finished creations. All right, thank you so much for joining me today on Craft with Us. As always, my friends, be safe, be kind, wash your hands, and my young friends, keep wearing your mask. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.